So this was my Kylie Cosmetics Black Friday haul. It's crazy. I just opened it today. I didn't have time. I was just going crazy. So I'm gonna open it to you. I'm gonna show you what I got. So most of this not for me. It would be like for gifts for Christmas, and maybe a couple of future giveaways too. If I reach like a certain amount of followers in my Instagram. So that would be Kylie, but for now I'm not gonna give any Kylie product until I reach for a certain amount. So, but you can follow on my Instagram page. I do collab giveaways there, and probably next year I'm gonna have a couple of collaboration giveaways with a couple of my Insta friends. So stay tuned for that. So anyway, so here we go. So this is quite heavy. I'll start with this one. With this one, I got this. So first thing I got is oh, I got this. I have the palette for this collection. This is the Zero Money, something like that. So this came with 3 lipsticks. It comes with that. Isn't this so cute? So this is what they look like. I'm gonna show you. So, ooh, those are pretty. So that's the shades that I got. And these are the shade, says Hustle Honey. It's a matte lipstick. So those are matte lipstick. And these are Money Mindset. So this is Money Mindset. Oh, those are pretty. So I like those. And I got this. It's Mama Boss. So pretty. So I don't think I'm gonna wear this. This is really fierce. So that's the first thing I got. I believe they were like 40 to 30% off. I don't think she had a 50% off that time. So this is the first thing I got. Actually, I had a receipt right here. It's the Money Roll Matte Lipstick Bundle. But it doesn't show you the price. So, sorry. So, whoa, oh, I got this card. Isn't she gorgeous? She's so pretty. So, that's Kylie Jenner thank you card. So, I got this. Oh, I love this packaging of this. In love with the cocoa. So, I got that. So, I got this 4 set. This was really good deal. I believe it is 30 or 40. So, follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be doing swatches and photos of this beauty. I love the packaging so much. It's all pink. And I got this Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics. I believe this is the original. Yeah, it is. And I purchased this too, and I used them a lot. So that's what I got. And the last two, this was the part of the, I believe this was the mermaid. So anyway, my camera cut me off, so I have to do this 2 bombs. So this is the, I think it was part of the summer collection. So I got 2 of those. The Endless Summer and the Beach Bomb. It's really pretty. So that's what it looks like. Whoa, so pretty. Whoa, can't wait to try this beauty. So got it. This one. Oh, has shimmer on it. You can see. Oh, thank you. Thank God my camera's picking up. So this is be the big box that I got. So it comes with this. Comes with 2. It's neat. So this is what I'm excited about. is the lip storage on my phone, so I have to delete some videos. So this is what I'm excited about. This came out like a couple months ago, the lip blush. So I have most Kylie lip products, and her lip products are really amazing, and the palette also. So I have not a good amount of collection of Kylie Cosmetics. So that's what I got. So I'm gonna do swatches on here, and I'm gonna do swatches on my photo on Instagram also. So that's what I do. So follow me. I'll leave the link down below. So that's what I got. So I got butterfly. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Oh, whoa, those are pretty. So I got these. Those are pretty. The shades. And I'm not gonna able to do like a lot of swatches. I'll try my best. So I don't know how the formula works in this one. So I have to test it out. So that's the butterfly. Yes. Next is cherry on top. This is cherry on top. I really need to get my nails done tomorrow. I want it done today. Whoa. I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear those. This is too much for me. So this first one I could wear. This one, I don't think so. So probably keep that to give it to my sister probably. So this one is I'm blushing. So I'm gonna show you. I'm blushing. So this is what it looks like. I like this. It's new formula of her. Whoa, those are pretty. Sorry, I messed it up. So I'm definitely wearing those. And next is the bikini bud. This sounds so familiar. I know it does. Oh, I love those color. So, whoa, those are pretty. I love my nude. So I got blushes. So this is close to perfect. So the shade is close to perfect. So Kylie. Whoa, see? Not really that much, so I'm not gonna be able to swatch it yet. Oh, I got bronzer, tequila tan shade, and I got some body on the black blush, and I got a blush also, kitten baby. So that's the shade, and I got what else did I got? Oh, this. I got lip blush. This is a lip blush from the collection. Bikini pot. Whoa. Okay. Let me see if they're all the same. And then now I know it's Boss Bay. It's bikini pot. It's the same one that I got. Where's it? See, this is bikini pot. And this one. So probably have to keep this for a giveaway, or to give it to my sister. I already had this. One of my friend in Insta, she gave this to me. So I'll be keeping that for giveaway. And then this one is the Boss Bay. This one. Okay. Oh, look what I have in here. Oh, these are high gloss. This is high gloss. So I got 4 high gloss. So I got those shades. I got Story of Us, Lost Angel, and I got Blow Me Away, and I got You Are the Sun. So we're opening You Are the Sun. I'm so bad at opening packaging. Whoa, those are pretty. I had those. This is Lost Angel. So, whoa, those are pretty. I have like 4 of the high gloss from the original one, I believe. So, oh, these are pretty. This is the Story of Us. So, this is everything now. So, I got this. Wow, look at all the glitters, you guys. This is the Blew Me Away. Wow, that's so pretty. Sorry, I have to swatch it. Wow, those are gorgeous. So, anyway, and then I got lipstick. This is I believe this is matte lipstick. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is. It's matte lipstick. So I get this. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm not be using it. This one, I might use this, the Miami. Because I have the liquid lipstick, so this will be Christmas gift. So I can't swatch everything because some are Christmas gift. So hope you understand. So this is the palette. This is from the summer collection. Okay, so look at the shades. So I'm gonna be doing swatches and photo on my Insta. So the last one I got is this one. It's the Balmain on one of her collab. So it's so pretty. The shades are gorgeous. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this kind of unboxing with you. Thank you.